अच्छा. Hello. Good morning, all of you, my dear students. Myself, Professor G.R. Kumre. My topic is AC to DC converter and content introduction principle of AC to DC converter, types of AC to DC converter, fully controller, single phase full wave controller, three phase full wave controller, half wave controller, single phase wave controller, three phase half wave controller, and application controller rectifier. Introduction: AC to DC converter or rectifier circuit using thyristor. These are controlled rectifier for a fixed value of AC input voltage and output DC voltage can be controlled. The basic principle of it is whose control point to it time in which the thyristor are allowed to conduct during each cycle. Thus, it is possible to select the time segments of the AC voltage wave which appear in DC terminal, and the mean output voltage is controlled continuously. The process control is the called phase control, and the control rectifier are therefore also called the phase control rectifiers. Hello. It the study of thyristor, it is assumed the SCR and diodes ideal switch, which mean that there is a low voltage drop across them. Second, no reverse current exists, reverse voltage and condition holding current is zero. A SCR can conduct only when allowed anode and positive and gating signal is applied. Firing angle of thyristor is measured from the instant could start conducting if it were replaced by diode. And these characteristics, these get PN, PN and PN construction. And types of AC controllers: full control converter and a single phase full wave converter. This single phase fully controlled rectifier allow conversion of the single phase AC to DC. And normally this is used in various applications such as battery charging, speed control of DC motors, and front is UPS and SPSMS. Uncontrolled diode converter is to be simulated. All four devices should be fired at delay angle of 0 degree when a semi-converter is to be simulated. The lower two devices can be fired at 0 and 180 degree respectively, and the upper two devices are fired at and 180 degree plus A. Normally is fully controlled converter as the converter transformer take place from the T1 to T instantly without any delay. It is assumed that thyristor T3, T4 were conducting at T is equal to 0 T1 and T2 are fired at A. If there are no sources, inductance T3 and T4 would have a commutated. As soon as T1 and T2 are turned on, the input current polarity. When the thyristor converter has a resistance load, both DC current and voltage will be in phase as soon as possible. Half cycle and the current through thyristor T1 and T2 will be reaching 0, after which they would be reverse biased. Due to the supply voltage in breaking into the negative half cycle, this causes the voltage pulse is to be spreading from the angle A to N, and so in the figure 1.2. Both current in the DC link and the current in the source ICE will be discontinued. And this circuit single phase fully controlled converter and three phase full converter. The three phase fully controlled for conversion of the three phase AC into DC. Normally this is used in various applications such a battery charging for the large UPS, speed control of the large DC motor, arc furnace, HVDC transmission and front end large SMSPS for the telecom device. As in the case of single phase converter, commutations are not installations due to the presence of sources, inductance, it takes place over a overlap period of the mu1. Instead of the during the overlap period 3 thyristor, instead of the 2 conductor, current in the outgoing thyristor gradually decrease to 0 while the incoming thyristor current increase and equal the total load current at the end of the overlap period in the time of the interval A less than omega t and less than equal A plus mu and T0, T5, T2 from the bottom group and T1 from the T-top group. This is the circuit diagram and wave diagram fully control three-phase converter. And these are also the circuit diagram of the three-phase full half-wave converter. In the continuous conduction mode by the thyristor from the top group and the one diode from the bottom group conduct at time. However, unlike fully controlled converter, here both devices from the same phase, a lag, a conductor, and the same time, hence there are the conducting modes. These are the three-phase semi-converter circuit diagram and application DC motor control in steel mills, paper and textile mills in employing DC motor drives and AC feed traction system, electrochemically and electrometallurgically process, magnetic power supply and reactor control and portable hand tools device, battery chargers and UPS, high voltage DC transmissions. Thanks.